Hello, today's lesson is going to be about resources, human-made resources and natural resources. Natural resources are materials or substances such as minerals, forests, water, and fertile land that occur in nature. Natural resources are things that come from the earth. We get sun from the earth. We get trees from the earth. We have water from the earth, oceans and lakes and rivers. Human-made resources are things that are created by humans or things from nature. Human-made resources are also called man-made resources. So if you hear, as you could see here, man-made resources, it doesn't mean that they were only made by men. But when we say man, if you look at the word human, the word man is at the end. It means it is made by humans. And here are some things that are made by humans. Here's a coffee mug. This person is holding a cell phone. Scissors, a chair, a television. Any things that you have purchased from a store for your house is usually human made. So I want you to quickly pause the video and close your eyes and imagine yourself in your backyard or in the park or at the playground. What do you see? Think about the things that are around you. What do you see? We're going to watch this video and learn the difference between human-made resources or man-made resources and natural resources.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's be. The world around us. All the things present in the world are natural or man-made, living or non-living. Natural things. We see beautiful lakes, mountains, forests, animals, and birds around us. They are all naturally present in the world. The things that naturally exist in this world are called natural things. All living things are natural things. Even some of the non-living things like sunlight, air, water, soil, sand, and rocks are natural things. Man-made things. The things which are made by man are called man-made things. Chair, jute bag, table, sweater are few examples of man-made things. Preserving the natural things. Man makes things using the natural things. The book that we read is made from paper. Paper is made from the pulp of trees. The book is man-made, whereas the pulp of trees is a natural thing. We cut down trees to build houses and factories. We kill animals like tigers and leopards for their skin and bones, and the elephants for their tusks. We depend on plants for our food. They also purify the air we breathe. A plant needs soil, water, air, and sunlight to grow and live. Do you think that nature will keep on supplying all these things to us forever? No. We have to preserve our natural resources. We have to use them carefully. If we cut down a tree, we should plant 4 more in its place. We should stop buying things made by killing animals. If we all do our bit in taking care of our world, it will be a much better place to live in.
In that video, we saw quite a few things that were natural and quite a few things that were human-made, or as they said in the video, man-made. Here are a few things, a few pictures of some things, and we want to put them in the correct column. Attached is a similar worksheet. If you are not able to print it and cut the pictures and put it in the correct column, you can look at the pictures and write the name of the picture in the correct column. For example, sun. Is the sun a natural resource or a human-made resource? It is a natural resource. So you can cut out the picture of the sun and put it in the natural resource. If you cannot print the paper, you can just write the word sun under natural resource. What about a belt? Is a belt natural, or does it come from the earth, or is it man-made? It is man-made. So you can cut out the picture of the belt and put it in the column that says human-made or man-made. If you do not have a printer and you cannot print the paper, you can just write the word belt neatly under the column. Make sure that the words, if you are writing them, are listed neatly under each other and not all over the column.